Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the reduction reaction between potassium permanganate and glycerin. Check this out. So all I'm using in this reaction is a ceramic crucible on a ring stand, some glycerin, potassium permanganate, a spoon, a dropper, and a little bit of water if it takes a minute to get going. Begin by adding 15 grams of potassium permanganate to your crucible. Next, add about 3 to 5 milliliters of glycerin in the middle of your potassium permanganate. If the reaction is delayed, you can add a little bit of water. And there it goes. Very cool. So this is reduction oxidation reaction, or redox reaction for short. Your reactants are potassium permanganate and glycerol, and your products are potassium carbonate, manganese oxide, carbon dioxide, and water. In a redox reaction, you have one side that's being reduced, that's the potassium permanganate, in that it's gaining electrons. The other reactant is your glycerol. It's being oxidized because it's giving up electrons. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.